Introducing the Eounice ON 7224K 2-post lift, engineered for power, precision, and ultimate reliability in your workshop. This powerhouse boasts an impressive 4.2-ton lifting capacity, ready to handle a wide range of vehicles with ease. It's rigorously tested, having successfully passed 120% dynamic and 150% static load tests, ensuring maximum safety and durability for every lift. Experience unmatched versatility with a generous 2,574mm drive-through width. This thoughtful design accommodates most vehicles, making your operations smoother and more efficient. Stability is paramount, and the ON 7224K delivers. Its robust 500mm wide column base plate provides a solid foundation, making the lift incredibly stable and reliable, even under heavy loads. Adaptability at your fingertips. Standard with 4 two-stage lifting arms, this lift is perfectly suited for vehicles with diverse chassis designs, ensuring secure and precise positioning every time. Finally, say goodbye to clearance worries. The ultra-thin base plate is just 33mm from the ground, allowing vehicles to drive through with exceptional ease. The Eounice ON 7224K, power, safety, and efficiency, all in one superior 2-post lift. Elevate your workshop's capabilities today. Visit www.smartparkinglifts.com, contact us by WhatsApp or email for more information about our products.